If your Google Maps application is set to a wrong language and you need to change it to another one, then this video is going to show you the step-by-step process of doing so. But before we start with the video, if you're new to the channel, then please make sure to subscribe for more similar videos like this one. We won't be changing the language from within our Google Maps application because we won't find the language option in there. What you'll want to do instead is to open your web browser and then search for Google Maps in here. If you try to open this link by tapping, it's going to open the Google Maps application, but we don't want that. Instead, long press on this link until you see an option to open this in a new tab. If it prompts you to open the page in the app, hit the cancel option, because we have to open this web version in the browser. It's time to find our language option, so tap on the 3 horizontal lines at the top. This side menu will open where we have a bunch of options, so locate the language option and open it. If you're unfamiliar with the language, you can use ChatGPT to help you translate the words on the page. I've opened the language settings. I'll then set this to English and then apply. If this didn't change your language in the app itself, then you'll have to change it in your phone's settings app. I'm going to hop over to my settings, then General. Scroll a bit down and find the Language and Region option, and then you can add your preferred language, maybe that's Spanish, German, or some other. Just place that language at the top, then your phone is going to restart, it will change the system language, and it will also make those changes in the Google Maps application as well.